Okay, let's see how we can create a new virtual machine. I already have in 2029 created. So I will create another virtual machine now. So go to the home page. If you're not able to see the home page, you need to go to the file and new virtual machine. So click on next here and again next. So just say that I will install the operating system later, and this time I want to install 2022. Click on next and yeah, just say that name. Ensure that the folder where you are going to keep 2022 it is free. So I want to delete the existing files. So this is the location I want to give for the VM files. So click on next. I'll just select the BIOS option and I want to give only two processors. Click on next and I want to give again 16 GB RAM. So click on next. I'll use the bridge networking. Click on next and LSI should be fine. It's SATA drive. Click on next. Create a drive and again 100 GB drive. Store as a single file. Next and default option should be okay. Finish. So 2022 VM is created, but I wanted to. I did not provide the ISO here. Right click in settings and here we have a DVD ISO. So select the ISO location. It is the desktop software 2022 ISO. Open. Click on OK and power on the virtual machine. Okay, so click on next and install now. So if you see here, using the same process I have created another virtual machine before recording. So here I'll select the desktop edition because you want the GUI. So standard evaluation and desktop. Click on next. Accept. Click on next. Install operating system 100 GB drive format. Click on next. Yeah, it's going to install the operating system now. So we have 2022 VM and 2019 VM. So in this recording I have shown you 2022 and before recording I have already installed 2019. So using the same procedure, but I selected the ISO location, ISO images 2029. So I'm creating all these virtual machine files inside the C drive and we have something with the name workstation, right? So these are the files related to 2029 and if you see here these are the files related to 2022 which is going to create now. And if I show you what are the resources I provided to 2019, so I given 15 GB RAM there also, but I given the 4 processor because I want to install the COMSER on this machine, 100 GB disk, and yeah, this is the location of ISO and network adapter. I give the bridge network. I'll tell you the reason why we have to give the bridge network, and the remaining things should be fine. So the OS is booting up. Let's wait. I'll pause the video for some time. Okay, so we are back. So 2022 Windows version installation is completed. I need to create a password for administrator. Okay, so the installation is completed, and it's asking one more thing: VMware tools enable many features and improvement. Okay, log on to the guest operating system and click install tools. Yeah, I want to install the tools. And here I have an option to send a control or delete. So we are on the 2022 version now. So if you want to see the IP address here, open the command prompt, ipconfig, and on another machine 2019 the IP address is 110 and here it is 108. So try to ping the other host. So see that request timeout. So for that you need to enable one option. Let me show you that. Go to the server manager option. Over here you have a tools option. Okay, over here in the tools again, try to look for Windows Defender in the inbound port. Try to search for the file transfer and sharing. So this for ICMP in. So you need to enable this rule, and also there is yeah, only this rule should be fine for IPv4. And similarly on 2029, open the server manager. And go to the tool section again, and you have Windows Defender Firewall, inbound rules. Search for file sharing, file and printer sharing, ICMPv4. So enable this rule, and now try to ping between the nodes and see. Now you can see it is connecting. Do it on the other side also, like from 2022. The IP address here 2019 machine is 110. So let me close this and open the command prompt and ping 110 IP, which is for 2019. Yeah, it's working. So they are connected now. And one more thing you can also test is from your own local computer. Try to ping that virtual machines and see if that connects. Yes, it is replying, and similarly do for another one, which is having 110 IP. Yes, it is replying. So now your host computer and two virtual machines are in the network and you are able to ping between these machines. Yeah, thanks for watching.